What's up?
Very nice.
Oh, that's not them.
Nope.
That's awkward.
That's real awkward.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a natural light photo shoot and got some POV, got some behind the scenes. So guys, check it out and enjoy the video. So I was thinking about using the 85 here, and I kind of want to use the 20-70 because that's what I'm used to. So I think that's what we're going to do. I don't know. We'll see. Canon R5, 28-70. This is the 85, but I'm about to switch it. We're going to use the 28-70. So there we go. This is not much. For these shots, obviously I don't want to have my shadow in the shot here, so I want to shoot from the side for sure. Just want to get some test shots to see. I think a lower angle may make more sense here. Okay, I'm going to turn my shutter speed up just a little bit. So right now I'm at about 1/5000th of a second. I don't want to look at my histogram because something I notice is that whenever you're doing these shoots, it's much harder to tell how well exposed your photo is, right? And so I definitely want to use the histogram because it'll tell me, okay, I don't have any shadows that are blown out, and I don't have the highlights aren't blown out either, even though they may look so on my actual computer. So, listo? Good. Stay there, keep doing the same. Al mismo. Rizar? Good. This is good. Jennifer? That way now? Yes, perfect. I want to use that. That's good. Okay. So in this next set, we're trying to get some photos using this mirror. It was like $40 from Hobby Lobby, if you guys shop there. But wanted to get some cool reflection shots along with kind of seeing some of the set that we created in the background. And so we took a few photos here as well. Here's what they look like. So the plan here was to have her looking over the mirror and to be shooting her reflection in the mirror along with some of the set photos here. So here are some of the photos that we got from this specific look. Hablando con each other. Let's get some. That's good. There it is. Good. Perfecto. Mira a la derecha. Mira. A la derecha. Perfecto. a la izquierda. Izquierda. Perfecto. Good, good. That's it. Good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ahora sí. No, picnic basket. Let me think the best way to do this. Quizás estoy aquí, pero están ahí.
En el lake.
No, ahí going that way.
Okay.
See?
Coge.
Oop. There we go. Good. I think that's gonna be the shot. I'm trying. I actually don't speak that well, but there we go. I actually love that. Perfecto. I love that. That's great. Y otra vez, pero este tiempo con juntos. Oh, un momento. 1, 2, 3. ¿Listo? Ok. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Lo siento, el hombre. Otra vez. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. I love that.
Recording now.
Action. Good action.
No.
This is how you hold your camera when you don't have hands and you're doing stuff with your hands. You just set it right there. It's
That
perfect.
seems safe.
You gotta have some strong thighs.